Guys, welcome back. As Father's Day is approaching, today I am going to show you a simple and easy greeting card to give to your father on Father's Day. Okay, so these are the things which you need. You will need a scissor, then a paper. It's a long paper and I folded it into half and painted the first page with blue color. You don't require color paper. If you have one, you can use, or else you can do just like me. Then 2 small sheets of paper. I've taken white color. You can take any other color you wish. So with that we are going to make flower like this and hearts like this in different shapes. Okay, so then you'll need glue, then some sketches or pens, anything of your choice. Then 2 small buttons. I've taken only 2, you can take 3 also. Then 1 small pencil and a small strip of paper, not too small, not too big. I'll just tell you when we start with that. Then a small circle of foam sheet. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, I've kept all the other materials aside. So first you require your long sheet which I have already painted and it has dried, and your scissor. This small sheet of paper, 1 is enough. We are going to make only 1 flower and I've already made, so you will need 2. 1 to make one small flower and 1 to make one bigger than that. Then this circle of foam sheet, then glue, then 2 buttons, pencil and your strip. Okay, so let's go to that. First take your pencil, then not exactly the middle, approximately just draw a line. Okay, it can come this much. Then draw it like a V shape, even this side. Okay. Now take scissors, turn it, and then in this line, the center line, cut as I have shown here. Okay, only in the middle. Turn it back so it's come like this. Now in this line, you'll have to fold it and make a crease. You can adjust it a bit. Okay. Now next you'll need to take your buttons. Take glue also. So you can, in just below this, in a straight line you can stick it. So here apply some glue, then down here also, and you can stick the buttons there, and then you'll have to allow it to dry. Okay guys, I just noticed one thing. It was a bit white here, so I just painted this collar also. You can also do the same. So now while it's drying, we can make the flower for this. So this is one small and we are going to make one big. So I'll show you how to make the bigger one. So keep this aside. Take this paper, keep it and fold it in a triangle. Okay, so this much is the excess part, and then just cut it off. This is just to make sure we are having a perfect square paper. Now since we have a triangle, fold this here. Okay, now take it out. Then fold it like this. Even from here, this one you can reduce a bit, and then you can adjust it like this. Even this you can fold it like that. It's like this, so I'll just show you once again. So the paper is like this. You have folded it in a triangle. So now you'll have to fold it like this, then open it, then like this, turn the paper so it's come like this, and then from here also like this. If you turn it, it should be like this. Now keep it, take scissors, and then cut from here. Okay, now let's open this. See, it's come like this. So now you'll have to just cut here one petal, take glue, apply some here and stick this over that, and you'll have to allow this to dry. Okay guys, this has dried, so just take and then little bit from here in this edge you can cut it, little bit, not completely, just little. Similarly cut in all the sides. Now I have cut all this, and so just take one petal and then in the middle cut it like a triangle. Then take this. Okay, so one petal should come like this. Similarly, you'll have to do for all the petals. Okay guys, I completed cutting all this. So now bring in the smaller flower which I made before. So just like this you can make one smaller. So take glue and then apply it here. And then keep this on top of that and stick it. So then take the small piece of foam sheet, put some glue in the middle and stick it there. So even this has to dry. Okay guys, this button has dried. So now below this collar you can apply some glue and stick this flower there. So this is dried. Now take the strip of paper and then keep this here and apply little glue there. So take this, turn it and stick it here. So this has to be like a pocket. So now let's go to the next step. I have made two hearts. One is big and one is small. So I am going to show you how to make a heart. So this one is going to be more big. I am going to make one small, medium, large. So you can cut this in a heart shape. Okay, so now you have got one heart here. Don't throw this away, this excess. This might be a little helpful for you. Okay, now you can keep this aside. Take your sketches. So in this is the biggest heart. So use any one color for all of this. I am using blue color. So in this I am writing fathers, and in the medium one I am writing happy, and then in the smallest one day. Okay, so now bring back your hearts and your prepared gift. So let's stick this. So take some glue, apply it here and then stick this here, and then happy here, and the day here. So let's stick this. Okay guys, now I have completed sticking and I have drawn a smiley here, as you can see. Now I am taking another color sketch, so you can also write the same. So I am writing "you are the best." You can write any other wordings you like. So now let's go to the decoration inside. So before that, here I told you can use the heart which we made before, this one. If you don't know how to draw a heart perfectly, you can use this as outline, but now I am not using that. So I have taken red color sketch and then just drawing a heart here, and you can just color it. Now I have drawn this heart. This is really fantastic outside. So now we can open this, and then I have taken two color sketches. You can write anything you want, like Happy Father's Day or anything you like. So here I am just writing Happy Father's Day. Okay guys, I have written Happy Father's Day. Then I guess you all know what an acrostic poem means. If you don't know, it's like in a word you have like for dad you have D and any other word. So I am writing an acrostic poem for the word dad. You can also write for any other word you like. So I have written an acrostic. So if you don't know what it is, you might understand something from what I have written. You can also write anything like this. So that's it. It's the beautiful Father's Day card is ready here. So please try this in your home, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and also if you're watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Watch you guys in the next video.